Welcome! In front of me is a VIVO X80 Lite, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the fast boot with the VIVO logo, you can let go of the buttons and then using volume down, press it once to select recovery mode and then press power button to confirm it. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. And here we have a couple options like install software, clear data, which consists of clear cache and clear all data. Come on, go back, there we go. Enter safe mode and also check system, along with the two ways of leaving this mode. So I'm gonna select restart, okay, and this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.